Luckily, laptop battery life has actually gotten better over the last few years, but there's nothing more frustrating than traveling, working on the road, you don't have your charger, and then your computer just turns off in the middle of a project or a document that you're working on or an email. So with that said, I wanted to share 3 quick tips on how to extend the life of the battery on your laptop. The first is going to be to adjust the default power settings on your laptop. By default, most of them are cranked up to max performance as opposed to max life. So you want to make sure to change those settings and scale them back so that it can turn off unnecessary things or even crank down the CPU so it's not running full tilt, and that'll give you some extra juice right there. The second is going to be to turn down the screen brightness. Just like on your cell phone, if you ever look at the power settings in there or the power usage, you'll see that it shows you the screen is taking a good amount of juice. Same thing carries over for laptops. A lot of laptops are now using sensors to do this for you, so they can tell if you're out in the sun, they gotta crank it up and give you a little bit more juice, just like on your cell phone. Or if you're working somewhere really, really dark, it might change it into like a night shift mode and adjust the brightness accordingly. But if you got enough light around you and you can crank it down, you'll get some extra juice out of your battery. The third and final one is going to be to make sure that programs that are unnecessary are closed. The main culprit for this is going to be Google Chrome. If you use Chrome or any other browser for that, look at all those tabs that are running. All those tabs are usually consuming some juice in the background, and if you close out the ones you don't need, same as applications, if you have 500 Excel spreadsheets open, those are going to take not only battery life away, but also RAM and cause it to really run slow on your laptop. So definitely close out extra tabs or applications that you have open as well. That's it. It's 3 quick tips. Hopefully one of them pertains to you and will give you a little bit extra juice out of your laptop. Thanks for watching.